Okay. Good din po, basketball fans. Welcome muli po tayo sa Alado Friday Night Basketball Action sa ating liga ng mga lumilipad, AFL Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Terra Needles and Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Sama natin po dyan po ang SPB Doha and PSBQ Basketball League. First game for tonight po between Hub and Airport United. Ayan ha. And of course, Mechanicals and QR Towers. And of course, Mamiya po is Boleros and QDF for the Friday basketball action. For the first time po is Hub versus Airport United. Okay. Opening buzzer is now being called. Calling now all the opening players po natin. Ang ating mga starters. Starting lineup po. Tinatawagan po natin yung mga starters po natin. Sige po, starters. Welcome muli po sa ating liga ng mga sikat, liga po ng mga lumilipad. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly, dubbed as a Flying League. Thank you pala po sa SPP Doha for keeping the name in the game in the neat and orderly fashion, headed by Ref King and company po yan. Playing blue po ang Airport United and was playing white po, yan po ang The Hub. Yup, we're delayed. There's an event, boss, before. Unfortunately, there's an event. But you have to fly? You have to fly?
Flying early in the morning.
4
a.m.
Oh, God. Okay, first game. Calling out the starters, please. Sige, na po. Starters. Okay, si Scott and Company. Scott, Candol, Babagay, Muñoz. Posible si Muñoz? Or sino? Okay. Okay, at si number 12, yan. Okay, meron silang wala si Salud. Number 12 will become the post-up boy. Kabilang po, yan po si D-Mac, si number 55, si number 25, si number 2, at si number 5. Yan. Si Nasir. Okay, first quarter action on the way. Let's start now and then let's keep ball going. First quarter action start right now. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, start. First possession now kay Babagay, Airport United. Scott, number 12. Nope. And no good. That's Sid. First time po ng Airport United, courtesy of Mr. Sid. Number 12, Sid. And Babagay. Nope, it's Manzon. Nope, offline. Scott. And White. And same ball po tayo. Same ball po tayo. Same ball pa rin po tayo. Candol, pong posisyon. Candol. Okay. Now ball now with the white shirts. Hop si Daisy. Travel invasion ka doon, boy. Balik muli po sa buluang bola. Okay, that's Gerd, number 14. Sorry, that's Sid, number 14. Okay, now Candol. Along with Babagay, binababa ang bola. Candol, now Scott. Kick pass kay Manson. Pops up for 3. Kapos po tayo again. Dakol, Dimac po ang bola kay San Miguel. 55 to Dimac again against Babagay versus Dimac combination matchup po yan. And to San Miguel, nakuha number 5, walang tawag, pops up, nope, rebound by Manson to Babagay thinking 3, malakas. And Dimac, binababa ang bola. Dimac, power move, and one play given nga kay Dimac. First point given by Dimac para sa The Hub, plus possible 3-point play po yan. Number 20, Dimac to the line. Dimac on the line. And next game po tayo is between QR Towers or the Black Boys versus The Mechanicos. Okay. And Candol. Nope. Rebound by Babagay. And kay Geert. Kay Sid to Scott. Sid. Nice stop. Nice stop. And Nasim completed the game. And another one. Nitro. 2 points. Ay, hindi. No good. Sorry. Nawala sa focus camera ko. Okay, sorry. Again, Candol for 3. Malakas. Scott. Nako ni D-Mac ang bola. D-Mac. Now kay Nasim. D-Mac. 2 points again. 5-0. 5-0. 5-0 Rampong. Ginagawa na po ngayon ng effort ng The Hub over Airport United. Babagay. Nope. Scott. 2 points, Scott. Scott, 2 points. And napunta kay Nitro. Dukot, wala. One more time, Nitro, boarding, wala pa rin. Rebound, Sid. And Babagay, pops up. Nope. Nice, almost stolen. And a foul call kay Candol. Foul number 8, Candol, for sure. That's a blocking foul. Kahit sinasabi niya, bola po yan. Sabi ni Rep, hindi po. Foul ka talaga. 6 minutes 22 remaining. First quarter action. 2-5 ang score. San Miguel for 3. Wala. Rebound, Manson. Scott, binigay na kay Candol. Candol, 2 points. Tinapos ni Candol ang play na yan. Candol, 2 points. 4-5 ang score. D-Mac, binababa ang bola ni D-Mac. Dave Perido is watching. Perido, nasan ka na? And pops up Nasir. Wala. Rebound by Sid. And now Scott. Nawala ang bola. Nice steal by Nitro. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Nice drive by D-Mac. Okay, 4-7 na muli po ng tatlo ang team The Hub over Airport United. Babagay. 2 points Babagay. 2 points Babagay. 6-7. Lamang po na isa ang The Hub. Hub trailing Benbo by 2 points. Eto na po tayo ngayon, Mr. D-Mac. And Nitro. Pops up. Nope. Rebound Nasir. Rebound battle won by Babagay again. Si Candol pops up. Ayun si Scott ilalim. And one play pa binigay. Okay. Basket made para kay Scott. Basket made para kay Scott. 4 minutes 55 remaining. 8-7 score. Change favor na po. Scott shooting for the bonus free throw. Okay, second lineup. Nandiyan pong grupo ni Muñoz, ni Obaob, ni Escobedo at ni Molina. Kabila lang po, nandiyan si Torona, La Rosa, D-Mac nandiyan, will stay, and Dionisio. Dako ni Scott pa rin bola po. Scott, nope, it's Molina. Malakas ang ang badong. Traveling cold boy by the referee po. Balik muli po sa blue ball ang bola, blue shirts. Blue shirts po tayo, blue shirts. Blue shirts po tayo, blue shirts. Si Montesir is watching also. What happened? Okay. Okay. Muñoz. Obaob. Scott. For 3. Tapos. One time. Scott. Molina. Hindi na ko yung bola. Nakakuha. D-Mac. Nakakuha ni Dionisio. Dionisio thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Nandiyan si Tirona. Nakalusot. Tirona. Nope, it's Junicio. And pops up La Rosa. Yun, nice. Nice play sana. Hindi lang natapos ng maigi. And Escat. Molina. Escat. Binilabas ko kay Escat. Balik kay Munoz. 2 points. Okay, 10-7 na isa score. 3-point lead na po kalaman pa ng AU Airport United. Time remaining 3:39 remaining sa ating first quarter action. And to Ginito, D-Mac pops up. Nope. Ayun, palpal. Nice swat. Nagdala po ng pamalo si Mr. Escobedo. Naswat niya yung bola. Blocked away and pops up D-Mac. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Tirona again. Pops up. Malakas. And Scott for the rebound. Scott took shooting for 2.
28,
D-Mac called for a foul. Unang pa na po ni D-Mac yan. Okay, enjoy lang po tayo dyan mga boss. Enjoy the game. And Scott, first shot. Scott, pops up. Pasok. Second throw ni Scott, jumper ready po tayo. Out of facility. Second throw ni Scott, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound ni D-Mac ngayon. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Valdez. D-Mac, palpal ng ring. Oh, good ball. Molina, ako yung bola. Molina. Binababa na bola ni Molina. Out of bounds. Oh, top break po. Top break para kay Molina. Balik-balik po sa kaputian ng po ang bola. Si Tirona inbounding. And now to pop supper 3, Junicio. Wala. Rebound by Obaob. Obaob ng rebound kay Scott. Pop up Escobedo and one play ni Escobedo. Dahil kasi may event dito kanina.
First personal foul, number 11.
Second quarter na. But-delete nyo yung isang quarter na. And rebound by Molina. Nako, mali pinasan ni Molina. And Valdez. Nope, it's Scott. Escobedo again. Escobedo. Nakuha ni Valdez ang bola. And to Junicio. 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Tirona. Nope. Rebound by Munoz. Scott. Escobedo again. Power move. Malakas. Nando si D-Mac and called for a foul. Okay, duty foul po yan po ni Mr. Munoz to avoid a possible fast break ng Dahab. And D-Mac. Nope, it's Tirona pa. Will inbound the ball. And to D-Mac again. D-Mac, 28. D-Mac kulangan, 28. Nagmamando ngayon ng bola. D-Mac kulangan. D-Mac. Nope, it's Valdez for 3. Malakas. Rebound, battle one by Obaob. Obaob on the run. Obaob, binalpal ni D-Mac. Swatted away by D-Mac. And to Junicio. And to foul na, pinol na sa baba. Down. Pero take 2 yan. At back of shooting. Foul on Scott at 1:01 remaining. Napako na po tayo sa 13-7 pong score. A 6-point advantage by Team Airport United or AU. Pops up D-Mac. It's in. Second shot, D-Mac. Jumpers ready. D-Mac, jumpers ready po para kay D-Mac. D-Mac. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Montecillo is watching also. along with Dave Perito. And pops up number 6 Molina. Molina, nope, nawalang bola. Ubaob, takes car again. Skag, oy! 3 seconds. 3 second violation ka, boy. 37 seconds remaining. Kay Tirona.
30 seconds.
Valdez, D-Mac again, D-Mac. Fadeaway shot, running fadeaway shot is good. 13-11 lang po ng dalawa ang Team AU. Munyo, sabi niya, hepep muna.
14 seconds remaining.
And Ubaob, tumulina. Molina driving show. Pinasa mga Ubaob for 3. Bang! And that's it. First quarter drawn to close. Tambay po tapos second quarter. Pero baka po na pa, maghanap buhay muna po tayo. This is your airport aviation friend, Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po ang Team LBC, Haring Padala at Trillion Needles. Sample natin po ang SPP DOA and PSBQ Basketball League. First input is being played now between The Hub versus Airport United, followed up by nandiyan po ang The Mechanics or Mechanicals versus Qatar Towers or QR Towers. For meantime, enjoy nyo po tayo sa The Hub. Ayos. Okay, second quarter start. The score is 16-11 at 5-point lead advantage by Team AU or Airport United over The Hub. Okay, second quarter lineup now from sample type 55-25 to si 45 at si number 19, si Torona. Kabilaan po si Candol, Babagay. Number 12, Ubaob at si Manson. Sa kabilaan po sa AU. Candol, pinapantay San Miguel. Hindi po. And nakuha ni Babang bola. Ubaob driving strong. Tapos ang bola. 2 points. Nandiyan po si San Miguel. Kaya iba may pinagsamahan. San Miguel Beer.
Sorry, San Miguel, Macadamen.
San Miguel, Macadamen. And symbol po tayo. Okay, symbol po tayo. The Hub will retain the ball. Okay, second quarter on the way at 9:27 remaining. And San Miguel setting up the pace. And number 2, number 19, Tirona. Hop, foul. Down. Number 5, called for a foul. Okay, balik muna po tayo sa 14 second shot clock po natin. Manson, una pa lang ni Manson. Number 5, Nasir. San Miguel, driving strong. No, it's Valdez. Valdez pops up. Nasir, fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Sid. Wala si Sulod, pero may Sid naman silang dinala. And Sid. Babagay, pops up. Top of the key. Sid, nope. And lost the ball. Manson to Sid. Sid to Candol. Candol for 3. No good. Tirona again. Tirona binabantayan. Tirona Sid now. It's on the way also. Tirona. Sid. Tirona again. To Nitro. Nitro number 2. To Nitro. And to San Miguel. Nando. Masyadong mainit. And Nasir pops up. Bang! 2 points. Boarding pa. Sumakay ka pa, sabi niya. Boarding pa yan, sumakay ka pa, sabi ni Nasir sa pantay niya. And nandiyan po si Candol. Candol. Sid, power move. Sid, fadeaway shot. No good. No foul. They're missing the services of Salud. Dahil kasi Salud po, mayroon palang injury pa hanggang ngayon. Nagpapagaling po siya kay Get Well Soon, Mr. Salud. And Tironan nandun. And kay Babagay, naipit ang konti. And one play pa. Babagay, 2 points for kay Babagay. Sabi ni Babagay din, sumakay ka pa. Ayan. And Babagay number 8 shooting for 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw for Babagay. Comment kayo dyan. Okay, si Anaclet is watching at si Paul Mark Corp is also watching also. Maraming salamat po sa ating lost the ball. Babagay. Nope. Rebound by Candol. Okay. Sa Candol nga. Candol called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Welcome po sa Radyo AFL 7 sa iyong talaipitan. Ito na po tayo yun. And ito na Nasir called for a foul.
Number 8, Babagay.
Babagay called for a foul. And Nasir for sure shooting for 2. Nasir shooting for 2. Nasir. Okay, the time remaining 6:50 remaining, 20-13 na score. Najib, pasok. Nasir. Najib called first shot, pasok ni Najib. Second throw, jumper shot din po tayo kay Najib. That's Najib. Second shot. Nope. Rebound by Sid. And now kay Mr. Candol called for the foul. It's a blocking foul kay San Miguel. Kaya iba may pinagsamahan talaga. San Miguel Beer. Hop! And Babagay. Babagay pops up and Sid. Tap from behind. Fadeaway shot ni Sid. Nope. And no, it's Candol. Candol. Nakuha ni San Miguel. San Miguel. And Nitro. Nitro. No good. No foul. No foul. Sabi. Manso for 3. And Babagay. Last touch by Babagay. Balik muli sa puti ang bola. White shirts. 6:09 remaining. 20-14 na score.
San Miguel.
The hub. San Miguel almost stole the ball. And Tirona running shot. Oy! Traveling Benesis Tirona po doon. Balik po sa blue shirts ang bola. 5:51 remaining. Andahan nyo na po yung second lineup nyo. Babagay, binababa. Babagay. Candol. Uba po posisyon. Manson for 3. Yes, sir. Manson, 3 points. 5:29 remaining. 23-14 na score. Second round, second starters. Second lineup, please start here now. And San Miguel pops up. Nope, rebound, top 2, Candol, nagmamadali, Candol, si 25. Nice interception by number 25. Najib, San Miguel. That's Stan. Najib again, pops up. Yes, sir. And change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Second 5. Calling. Second 5. Okay. Escat, Molina, Escobedo, Manso, Munoz, and Babagay. Kabila na po si Valdez, Dimac, number 20, number 11, at si Nitro. Bola po ng AU. 4:54 before we go to the halftime. 4:54. Ayan na, number 8. Binababa ang bola. Number 8. Nope. It's Escobedo. Molina, malalim. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Again, number... Yan po si number 11. Junicio. Valdez. Junicio again. Junicio. Hop. Foul. Babagay go for the foul. Babagay, pangatlo mo na yan. Baala na sa'yo. And the hub. And same ball. Okay. Zenara is also Ryan. Zenara is also watching. Babagay, pangalawang pass na po yan. Valdez, inbounding. And kay D-Mac. D-Mac. Driving strong. Nope, it's Valdez. Nope. D-Mac, power move. Push power rep.
Number 66, Molina.
Molina called for the foul.
Molina is
Nitro for 3. Patay, butiki. Escat, binabati ng bola. Escat. Nope. Ano ba yan? Ano ginagawa mo? And malakas ang paano. Head ball situation. Okay. Blue shirts. Blue, tara blue. And Junicio. No, Piscobido. Then kay Babagay. Pops up. Ayun, Molina, wala. Piscobido, power move. Two shots added. 2 shots para kay Escobido. Escobido per shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Escobido, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, wala. And nandun si D-Mac. D-Mac again. Junicio. 2 points. Junicio. Nice. Floater shot. Escat again. Escat. Offensive foul on for Escat. Out.
Scott after some second personal foul.
Escat called for an offensive foul. Again, D-Mac. Nice play ni D-Mac, pero sinakibis yung katawan niya doon. D-Mac again. Foul.
Sa kanya kasi pala. Sa kanya hapon.
Yung pang-usok. Okay, D-Mac shooting for 2. 24-18. 2:39 remaining. D-Mac, first shot. Wala. It's wala. D-Mac, second shot called for the second shot for D-Mac. Number 28, D-Mac kulangan second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 2:39 remaining. Second quarter action. Drawing to a close. 24-19, laman ng 5. And Munoz. Nice. Munoz. No good tap kay Scott. Scott, 2 points. Yung contact. May mga ganun sing dumadrive eh. Pag yung kailangan magpaano, gagamit yung gano'n yung gagandang gagamit ng ano. Pag nakita, pag malakas. Penalties. Both teams na in penalty. Munoz, second personal foul. Junicio, first shot, penalty, free throws po yan. First shot, pasok. Patok. Second throw, Junicio. Molina, nagmamadali. Molina, binato. Munoz. Escat, Molina. Good ball. Escat. Nice one. Nako, hindi. Nice. Tap away by Julius.
31 seconds.
A minute and 31 remaining. Second quarter action. And pops up D-Mac. D-Mac kulangan, palpal. Escobedo. Escat. Escat again, Escat. Second pick and a foul call.
Now committed by number 0. Penalty. Both teams have penalty.
Sir Coach Owen Rocamora is also watching. Si Coach Owen, maraming salamat po. Escat 27, shooting for 2. Oh, Pure Tarso will play red, ha? Alam ko kayo magpa-play white. Red pala sila ngayon, red shirts. Chicago Bulls motive. Second shot, yes sir. 27-20, 7 point din po kalamangan. A minute and 16 remaining. And nando kay Junicio, pops up for 3. Malakas, ayun si Babagay. Babagay, binato na kay Escat. Escat, 2 points.
1 minute.
2 points Escat. And Nitro, Babagay. D-Mac nakalusot. D-Mac, 2 points. Binato kay Babagay yung bola. Babagay, number 8. Babagay. Nope. Di na shoot. And Valdez. Nope, it's Nitro. It's Valdez, palpal. What a block. And Scott for 3, ayaw niya. Shake and pick. Nope, it's Babagay. Babagay, malakas. Rebound by D-Mac. D-Mac, 2 on nothing situation. 2 on 1. And good ball. No, it's Nitro. Pinol pa. Nice shot. 11 seconds remaining. 11 seconds remaining. Number 2, Nitro shooting for 2.
11 seconds remaining.
Pops up. Wala. Second throw by Nitro. Jumpers ready. Nitro, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Last throw. Nitro, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Both baskets break. Escobedo. 10 seconds remaining. Escat. Nagmamadali. Escat. 2 points, Escat.
2 points.
3 seconds. D-Mac for 3. Palpal. Okay, second quarter drawn to a close. Laman po ang AU ng Siam, 31-22. Calling na po yung ating second team po between Mechanicals and QR Towers. Nasa na po kayo? Third quarter na po kasi. Calling po. And of course, you're watching right now the Hub and AU. After this po is Mechanicals and the QR Towers. And last game for the day between Boleros and Qatar Duty Free. Ano po itong liga ito? Ito po ang Liga ng mga Lumilipad. Aviation Friend Dub as a Flying League. Walang niya. Nagsara ang aking cue card. Okay. Aviation Friend Dub as a Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan pang Team LBC, Haneng Padala and Thread the Needles. Sample natin po SBP and PSBQ. First game po tayo between the Hub and AU or Airport United. Akoy, Jose maglalaro? Yung Jose nyo maglalaro? Jose. Okay. Yes sir, maglaro yan nyo. May import din yan, di ba? Siya po yan. Okay. Second half now on the way. D-Mac for 3. Malakas. Obaob. Nakuha ni Candol. It's a foul called by number 55, San Miguel. Candol, number 8. Stalwart po yan po ng maraming liga rin po. Sa kanyang And Obaob also. Candol, number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts. Manson, 2 points. Nice stop by Sid to Manson. And now D-Mac. Stripped away. Foul. No, traveling violation called. Traveling violation called on Team The Hub. Yan po si D-Mac. Travel po siya. Scott pops up. Pasok. 3 points. Scott 3 points. 26-20 to 14-point lead advantage now. Being posted now by AU Airport United over The Hub. And now Tirona. Foul sa ilalim, sa baba. Holding foul called. Obao called for the foul. Sid called for the foul. Sid. And San Miguel. Valdez. San Miguel driving strong. Tirona traveling violation again. Obaob. Kandol. Pinababa ang bola. Manson for 3. No good. D-Mac. Nagmamadali. D-Mac again. Najib. 2 points Najib. Najib 2 points. And Mr. Kandol for 3. Bang! Kandol 3 points. Valdez, nagmamadali. San Miguel, Valdez. Valdez, ang isang baob. Double shirts. Tirona, labas muna. D-Mac. Najib, pops up. Nope. Rebound ng baob. Kick pass kay, na-intercept ni San Miguel. San Miguel, nope. It's Tirona for 2. Nope. Rebound, Obaob again. Obaob kay Scott. Scott, dako, malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Mali. X. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. White shirts. D-Mac. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Pops. Nagbalik si D-Mac. Pasok ang bola. 13-point lead advantage by the team blue shirts. Obaob against San Miguel. Obaob. Kandol again. Manson for 3. Bang! Manson 3 points. And D-Mac. D-Mac kulangan. Look, it's Tirona. Tirona 2 points. Simple play by Tirona, but effective. But get effective. And Obaob. Obaob, binababa ang bola. Obaob. Obaob na naman, binababa ang attack. Obaob. Manson for 3 again. Bang! 5:49 remaining. 45-28 ang score. At 70-point lead advantage now by team AU. Najib for 3. Nope. Scott. Nagmamadali. Scott again. Scott. Oh! Double dribble. Double dribble. Okay, time up muna po ang The Hub. Standby lang po tayo. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors. Team LBC Haling Padala, Thread and Needles. Sama natin po dyan pa SPB Doha and PSBQ Basketball League. Ito po ang first game for the night between AU versus The Hub. And of course, after this po is the Mechanicals versus QR Towers. And last game for the day po is Boleros versus QDF. 5:25 remaining. 28-40 score po natin. San Miguel. San Miguel. Binababa ang bola. D-back. San Miguel. Pops up. No. Valdez. Sa Miguel again. Eh, Najib. Najib. Hoy! Good ball. Walang tawag. Sa Miguel. Palpal.
5 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Valdez. Nice stop. Iskat muna. Binababa ang bola. Iskat, binababa bola. Malakas. Iskat. 2 points, Iskat 2 points. Babagay. Binabantay si Dimac. Dimac naman. Side step. Palpal ni Sid. Swatted away by Sid.
Number 12, Sid.
Oh, sorry. It's Sid called for a foul. Dimac shooting for 2.
Di ba kailangan shooting for good?
Dimac, first shot. It's out.
First shot.
Dimac, second shot. Jumper ready. 4:32 remaining. Dimac, pasok ang bola. Babagay. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by the Blue Shirts. Nice hustle by Molina. Babagay, nope. And to Manson for clearing. Bang! Masyado. Titan.
Di ba kailangan? Valdez.
Valdez, sa Miguel, Valdez. Valdez, 2 points. Valdez, 2 points. Babagay.
Babagay. Set the play. Pass to Manchao. Pinagkaya. Babagay.
Foul called. Najib go for the foul. Substitution po tayo. Okay, Sid, good minutes kay Sid sa kanyang mga blocking po at bantay po. Na Escobedo naman ang magkamagam sa depensa. Najib, no Iskat. Nasir, diyan sa Molina. Lima, tako. Babagay, number 8. Hop! Ouch. Valdez called for a foul. Traveling violation call. 2:51 remaining. Sub muna po tayo. Valdez out. Number 11 in kay Junicio. Dimac versus Babagay. Dimac, Babagay, pops up. Dimac. No good. Rebound, battle one by Molina. Scott. Tight pass. Di rin nakuha. Tight pass. And Junicio pops up with 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Junicio 3 points to 16-point advantage by Team AU, Airport United. And Babagay, number 8. Babagay. Escobedo, power move, palpal. Pero may foul, sabi ng referee. Al-Ain Lim is watching. Joe Gamet is watching also. Maraming salamat po, Escobedo. Shooting for 2. Babagay, labas muna. Hindi, ayan. Okay. Okay, that's number 20 pala para sa The Hub. Pasok mo na para kay Najib. That's Lamsa. First shot ni Escobedo, wala na. Baka pagod na po yung mama. Second shot ni Escobedo. Jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Rebound barrel walk by the white shirts.
Genesio and Paul.
Rebound barrel na to Tirona. Nakuha ni Babagay yung bola. Oh, binara. Number 55 called for a foul. Blacking po kasi. San Miguel po, personal fouls. Warning for graduate. Babagay number 8. Shooting for 2. Okay, Valdez, sabas muna para kay San Miguel. And Babagay, first shot. Wala. Second throw, Babagay. Jumpers ready. Second throw, Babagay. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. It's pasok. Valdez, zigzagging its way. No, it's La Rosa. Wala. One more time, para kay La Rosa. Naku ni Escat na bola. Escat naman. Escat. Driving show. Nope, it's Molina. Foul on Molina. Hindi yanda si Molina. Sayang, pero second pa na po ni Molina po yan. A minute and 16 remaining. 51-30 score po natin. D-Mac, pinasok na pambola kay Junicio. Pops up. Palpa ng bagya. And Lambrosa, 2 points. Babagay. Manson for 3. Bang! And Junicio for 3. Nope. Rebound, Escobedo. Babagay. Binababa ang bola, Babagay. And Manson again for 3. Wala na. And Escat. No. And D-Mac pasa kay La Rosa. Nandun sa Escobedo. 24 seconds remaining sa ating game 1. And timeout called by The Hub. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Inbounding po sino? Inbounding si La Rosa. And Valdez, Dionisio, Tirona for 2. No. Rebound by Escat. Julius Babagay. Manson, 2 points. 7 seconds remaining. Foul pa. Nice steal. Valdez called for a foul. Babagay shooting for 2. 3 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter action. La Rosa called for a foul. Babagay, first shot, wala. It's wala. Second throw, Babagay, jumpers ready. Babagay, pops up, pasok. And Valdez, ala na, malakas. Third quarter's ended. The score is 57-36. A 21-point lead advantage by AU. Airport United, lamang na lamang po by 21 points. Final quarter starting right now. The Hub on the attack. Blue ball, blue ball. Kandol, inbounding. Kandol, Ubaob. And good ball. Nakuha Kandol mo ng bola. Kandol, Junicio, Sid, pops up. Nope. One time para Sid. Escobedo, floater shot, wala pareho. And Escobedo again. Kandol for 3. Nope. And white shirts. White shirts. Job gamit. Ang score po natin po is 57-36. Laman po ang Airport United. Kandol. Junicio, nakulong si Kandol. Nope, it's Ubaob. Kapos. Najib. Nope. Okay, balik tayo. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Kandol again. Molina. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Top 2. Babagay. 2 points. Nice bank shot ni Babagay. Pasok. And the Hub. Junicio. Number 11. Nakalusot pa rin. And to La Rosa. Junicio pops up. Kapos. And blue shirts. Molina. Babagay again. 8 minutes remaining. Babagay. 2 points. 2 points kay Babagay. Bagay na bagay si Babagay. Okay, ito na. Najib. Pops up. No good. Ayun, may tao pala doon si Tan. 2 points. Tan, 2 points. And to Escobedo, 2 points. Easy 2. 2 points Escobedo. Easy 2 points Escobedo. Okay. Shoutout po kay Babagay from Scott. And good ball, 2 points. Junicio. Julius Babagay, shoutout na sa'yo. Okay. Babagay. Hoy! Lifting violation. Ano, shoutout? Shoutout to, ano? Wala naman eh. Junicio, 7:07 remaining. Tirona. Valdez. Junicio pops up. Wala. And Babagay. Good ball. Nice hustle by Valdez. Valdez again. Palpal. Nice swipe by Sid. Valdez. Sid naka-rebound. Walang pinasahan si Sid. Okay. Kandol, labas muna si Kandol. Quality miss si Kandol. Molina also, labas muna po. Balik muli po tayo po sa ating laro ngayon. 60-40 at 23-point lead. Advantage by Team AU. Swipe again by Sid. Mali pinasahan.
Rebound, Munoz.
Nice stop to Munoz. Munoz, binababa ang bola. Munoz. Sit, 2 points.
Valdez.
Valdez. Valdez, good ball. And Najib. Najib. Nice pass kay Tan. 2 points, Tan. Tan, 2 points. Pops up, Panson. Go.
Rebound, Munoz.
Munoz again. Munoz. Kick pass.
14 seconds.
Kick ball.
40 seconds to shoot.
Albert Tinga Banasigan, pa-shoutout po kay idol ko, Ives Scott. Okay, thank you po. Banasigan, shoutout po ha. Junicio, 2 points.
Kasama foul. Basket now. Foul number 28, Munoz.
Junicio, number 11. Number 11, Junicio, pops up.
Dionisio.
Wala, rebound by Sid. Babagay. Babagay, binababa ang bola. Babagay, babagay! 2 points, babagay. $67-44, 23-point lead pa rin. 4 minutes 44 remaining.
Dionisio. Valdez.
Valdez. Valdez. Good ball, Tirona. Junicio for 3.
Dionisio.
Bang! 3 points, Junicio. 67-47. Pops up. Wala. Junicio, easy 2. Nope, it's out of bounds. And still, pick up po si Tirona. Tirona sa ilalim. 2 points, Tirona.
Number 18.
Manson. Pops up. Nope.
Number 12 set.
No good.
Najib.
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 Najib. No good. 3 minutes 32 remaining. Babagay. Babagay. Fade away shot. 2 points. No good. Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. Two minutes 50 remaining. Valdez.
Dionisio.
Tan. Pops up. 2 points.
Munoz. Set. Rebound 15. Bola break.
Najib.
Bola long.
Malakas.
Babagay.
Okay. Scooby-Doo 2 points.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Valdez.
Junicio. Pops up.
Dionisio.
Wala. Tap to Junicio again. Bawal po yun.
Okay.
Not allowed. Not allowed po yun.
Subdivision. 151.
Di pwede suntukin po yung bola. Baka po suntukin po yung bola. Kung pwede, tap lang.
Babagay.
Babagay. Munoz, again for 3. No good. And Junicio, 2 points. Babagay. Babagay. 2 points, Babagay. 1 minute 22 remaining. Valdez. Palpal. Swatted away.
1 minute and 3 seconds.
Najib for 3. Nope. Rebound. Dalaw po sila. Babagay again. Babagay. Stripped away. Babagay. Wala. Manson for 3. Bang! 3 points Manzon. 34 seconds remaining. Valdez. Wala. Junicio. 2 points. Okay, that's it. I believe so. They concede now and winner. Final score 78-55. Yan po ang AU or Airport United. This is your match now. AU winning over the Hub. And after these points now is Mechanicals and QR Towers. For the meantime, ito po ang AU po. Nanalo po si po. Maraming salamat po. And standby po tayo po sa second game for the day.